ETF. We are on unusual whales right now, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the highest open interest contracts as well as the highest volume contracts. Feel free to pause the video here if you want to take a screenshot or continue looking at all the options here. A lot of calls, by the way. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down now into the, let's go ahead and go down into the Webull, okay? Webull here showing up today, February 24th, as $28.36, up about 0.5% today. Keep in mind, while the overall market is a bit down, SCHD here is up. We are respecting the 200 EMA on the daily chart, and I think being above the 50 EMA, we should be able to see a test back up towards our recent high here of 29.45. And by recent, I mean right around November 2024, we had that high of 29.45. I do think this is going to be tested. And I'm going to go ahead and pull up the Fibonacci retracement as well. We're putting it from 2021 or 21.21 all the way to a high of 29.45. With this being said, I think 27.50 is going to be a bottom moving forward into the future. Again, most people here are just going to be dollar cost averaging into SCHD, and that's personally what I would be doing as well. If you're just looking for the best case scenario as a bottom entry, I think a price range closer to the 50 EMA, 100 EMA, or 27.50 would be considerable. I don't think from here we test the 200 EMA, 200 EMA being 27.14. Previously, in our previous SCHD video, back during in January, I mentioned that this was a dip opportunity and that we wouldn't be seeing another 200 EMA test like this for a while. And that was a really good dip opportunity for those that got into price below 27.50. For now, I think 27.50 remains as a potential bottom. And if we get closer towards that level, I'll be looking to add more into SCHD. And then as of right now, I mentioned 50 and 100 EMA. Those prices are at 27.92 and 27.77. With those two prices, that's probably where I would look to add in more positions in terms of more shares into SCHD. Dollar cost averaging my way up into 29.45 as my next prediction. I do believe 29.45 will be tested within this year of 2025. And as a reminder, today being February 24th here, going into the next couple of months, it's possible that 29.45 could be tested a lot sooner than people are expecting. If you are long-term in SCHD, let us know down below in the comments how many shares you have and what's your average and what's your dollar cost average plan. Are you guys just adding on a monthly basis without looking at the chart, as that I believe most people are doing that, or are you actually looking to add into the dip opportunities of SCHD? Long-term anyhow, I think you should be able to see new highs over time, just at a slow increment. And I'm going to go ahead and continue sharing my personal opinions on our YouTube channel, so feel free to subscribe and like the video, turn on notifications if you appreciate these kind of videos for SCHD. I think not many people are going over ETF support levels and ETF dip opportunities. Even though it's just a little bit, I think it adds up over time. And if this is something you're interested in, I also highly recommend joining the Discord. It's free to join, and we have over 32,000 members there. Link is down below in the description. It's great to be in a community where there's no hype, no BS. Oops, excuse me. No BS, no hype. You can join the Discord and talk about ETFs, long-term ETFs, dividend ETFs as well. There's people in there that talk about VOO or JEPQ, and then of course SCHD. If that's something you're interested in, you want to just chat for free, share your own knowledge, or ask questions, feel free to join the Discord with the link down below, okay? Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for SCHD.